Imagine this, the open road stretching before you, endless horizons, and the unparalleled freedom of waking up to a different million-dollar view every single day. That's the RV lifestyle, isn't it? But what if you could push the boundaries of that freedom even further? What if you could venture deeper into the wild, stay longer, and experience true luxury, all while completely off-grid? Today, we're not just looking at an RV. We're unveiling the future of overland adventure. This isn't just a motorhome. It's the Terra Nova Cruiser, a land yacht designed to conquer any terrain and provide an oasis of comfort wherever your wanderlust takes you. Get ready, because we're about to dive deep into the Terra Nova Cruiser's best-kept secrets for long-term boondocking, off-grid independence, and a level of luxury you never thought possible on wheels. You're about to see how this incredible machine empowers you to live life on your own terms, away from the crowds, completely self-sufficient. This is Motorhome USA, and this is the Terra Nova Cruiser. Welcome back to Motorhome USA, where we explore the pinnacle of RV innovation and the incredible journeys they enable. Today, our star is the magnificent Terra Nova Cruiser. Now you've probably seen a few luxury motorhomes, but nothing quite prepares you for the sheer scale and sophistication of this beast. This is truly a marvel of engineering, a futuristic motorhome that has quickly become a favorite among discerning enthusiasts for its unparalleled durability, cavernous storage, and mind-boggling off-grid potential. Forget everything you thought you knew about RV travel. The Terra Nova Cruiser redefines it. Its robust custom chassis, inspired by heavy-duty semi-trucks, means it's built to last, capable of traversing challenging landscapes with ease, making it perfect for those who dream of extended boondocking adventures far from the hustle and bustle. The seamless integration of the cab with the living unit isn't just for aesthetics. It provides an incredible amount of continuous interior space, transforming it from a mere vehicle into a genuine mobile estate. Every curve, every line, every polished surface speaks to a commitment to luxury and functionality that sets the Terra Nova Cruiser apart in a league of its own. It's not just a motorhome. It's a statement, an invitation to explore without limits. Now, what truly elevates the Terra Nova Cruiser from an already incredible machine to the ultimate boondocking marvel are the aftermarket modifications and upgrades we've integrated. For long-term living and true off-grid independence, power is paramount. That's why we've outfitted the entire roof with an immense, custom-designed solar array, boasting over 8,000 watts of flexible monocrystalline panels. These aren't just any panels. They're designed for maximum efficiency, even in partial shade, ensuring we're constantly harvesting energy. This colossal solar setup feeds into a bank of next-generation lithium iron phosphate batteries, providing an astonishing 100 kilowatt-hours of usable power. That's enough to run virtually everything on board, from the multiple air conditioning units to the induction cooktop and entertainment systems, for days on end without a single hookup. To handle this immense power, we've installed a trio of 5,000-watt pure sine wave inverters, allowing us to power even the most demanding appliances without a hitch. But power isn't the only concern when you're venturing off the beaten path. The custom-engineered air ride suspension system, with its intelligent auto-leveling capabilities, provides an incredibly smooth ride on highways and allows us to effortlessly navigate uneven terrain, protecting both the vehicle and its precious cargo inside. We've also added reinforced skid plates and upgraded all-terrain tires to ensure maximum durability and traction wherever the adventure leads. These essential upgrades are what truly make the Terra Nova Cruiser a fortress on wheels, ready for anything. Stepping inside the Terra Nova Cruiser is like entering a luxury apartment, not a vehicle. The designers have meticulously crafted a living space that feels expansive, elegant, and incredibly functional. The open-plan living area, with its panoramic windows, offers breathtaking views and floods the interior with natural light, blurring the lines between indoor comfort and the beauty of the outdoors. We've optimized every inch for livability, starting with the gourmet kitchen. It features full-size stainless steel appliances, including an induction cooktop, convection microwave, and a massive residential refrigerator freezer, making meal prep a joy even for extended stays. Smart storage hacks are everywhere, Hidden compartments, clever pull-out pantries, and custom cabinetry ensure that everything has its place, keeping the space clutter-free and highly organized. For those of us who work on the road, the dedicated workspace is a game changer. It's a custom-built desk with integrated charging ports, a high-speed satellite internet connection, and ergonomic seating, providing a productive environment that rivals any office. The Master Suite is a sanctuary of comfort, boasting a king-size memory foam mattress, ample wardrobe space, and a spa-like ensuite bathroom with a rainfall shower and heated floors. Every material, from the polished natural wood accents to the plush upholstery, speaks to an uncompromising commitment to luxury and comfort, ensuring that even on the longest journeys, the Terra Nova Cruiser feels like home. All right, fellow enthusiasts, let's get into the nitty-gritty. The stuff that truly makes the Terra Nova Cruiser an off-grid powerhouse. As we mentioned, our immense solar array feeds into a colossal 100 kilowatt-hours lithium battery bank. This isn't just for lights. It powers everything. We monitor our energy usage and production via a sophisticated smart home system that integrates with our phones, giving us real-time data on battery levels, solar input, and appliance draw. This intelligent management system ensures optimal efficiency and prevents power drain. When it comes to water, we're equally self-sufficient. The Terra Nova Cruiser boasts a massive 500-gallon freshwater tank, complemented by a multi-stage water filtration system, including UV purification, that allows us to safely draw and purify water from various sources, making boondocking truly limitless. Our tankless on-demand water heater provides endless hot showers, a luxury often sacrificed in standard RVs. Waste management is handled by similarly robust black and gray water tanks, each with a 300-gallon capacity. The dump station process, while never glamorous, is made easier with electric macerator pumps and a centralized utility bay that's intuitively designed for quick and clean hookups. We've even installed a composting toilet option for extended stays, further minimizing the need for frequent dump station visits. Every utility system, from the robust plumbing to the automated climate control, is engineered for maximum reliability and ease of use, ensuring true independence on the road. Driving the Terra Nova Cruiser is an experience unlike any other. Despite its imposing size, the advanced air ride suspension and power steering make it surprisingly nimble and comfortable to maneuver. The panoramic windshield offers a commanding view of the road, and the comprehensive suite of driver assist technologies, including 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring, instills confidence, even in tighter situations. While it's a large vehicle, the fuel economy for a machine of this scale is respectable, thanks to its aerodynamic design and efficient diesel powertrain. We found that maintaining a steady speed and utilizing engine braking on descents really helps optimize our mileage. But beyond the technical specs, it's the feeling of traveling in the Terra Nova Cruiser that truly stands out. It's a sense of security, capability, and unwavering luxury. You're not just driving, you're piloting a mobile mansion capable of taking you anywhere. For the ultimate enthusiast, the Terra Nova Cruiser offers 3 compelling reasons to choose it. Firstly, unrivaled off-grid independence thanks to its massive power and water systems. Secondly, luxurious, uncompromising comfort that makes full-time living an absolute pleasure. And thirdly, legendary durability and customization potential, ensuring it's a vehicle that will stand the test of time and adapt to any adventure you can dream up. It's truly the pinnacle of motorhome design, and there you have it, folks, a comprehensive tour of the Terra Nova Cruiser, the motorhome that's redefining luxury, freedom, and adventure on wheels. This incredible machine isn't just about the destinations. It's about the journey, the independence, and the ability to create your own sanctuary wherever you roam. For us, the Terra Nova Cruiser represents the ultimate expression of the RV lifestyle, unbound, luxurious, and infinitely capable. It's about disconnecting from the ordinary and reconnecting with what truly matters, all while enjoying the comforts of a 5-star resort. We hope this tour has ignited your own wanderlust and shown you what's possible in the world of luxury motorhomes. Now we want to hear from you. What are your favorite RV hacks? What customizations have you made to your rig that have improved your long-term living experience? Share your best tips, tricks, and dream RV features in the comments below. We love hearing from our Motorhome USA community. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Motorhome USA for more incredible RV tours and tips. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Until next time, happy trails and safe travels.